Hi guys! I'm trying this new format because I have important things to say. First, I noticed that my last video received a lot of hate, but honestly, I don't care about it because more comments, more views, and also I like teaching rude iPad Kids lessons. The other thing I wanted to say is that I'd like to try posting different content, like edits or some art-related things. You can tell me what do you prefer. I love you guys!